One of the only guarantees with off-road driving is that at some point you're going to get stuck. It's nothing to worry about as long as you have a method for getting unstuck, and you can be prepared for this inevitability with the Ridge Ryder recovery tracks. With specially designed teeth for maximum grip, a heavy-duty shovel for clearing debris, and a contoured ramp built into one end, these tracks make extracting your stuck vehicle a fairly simple one-person job. They're made from sturdy plastic and have a large footprint, which gives them top-notch durability. The tracks are lightweight, easily stackable, and feature multiple mounting points, which makes storage and transportation super easy. They also come with a set of leashes, so you won't lose them in the sand, mud, or even snow. So before you head out into the soft stuff next time, visit your local Supercheap Auto or jump online and check out the Ridge Ryder recovery tracks, as well as a whole range of must-have off-road gear.